is up, you guys? It's been so long since I've talked to a camera, and it feels weird again. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's my first time doing this again. But you know, um, hey, uh, yeah. Now I know it's been a while since you guys have seen an actual video. I actually haven't. All right, so like I was saying before, I've actually never seen anybody play this game entirely. I have just been uh avoiding it kind of, and I'm looking at the difficulties right now. When if you guys think Big T a bit, you done thought wrong. Outlast continue. You are miles upshire, an investigative reporter whose ambition is about to earn him an intimate tour of hell on earth. Always willing to risk digging into the stories no other journalist would dare investigate, you will seek out the dark secret at the heart of the Mount Massive Asylum. Stay alive as long as you can, record everything. You are not a fighter. To navigate the horrors of Mount Massive and expose the truth, your only choices are to run, hide, or die. Okay. Seems fire. Seems fire. Seems fire. I thought we were in a helicopter. Okay. Hop in the V. So after this, I would 100% put the car in reverse and start going back. And we're gonna leave our car here. Let me put down the sensitivity so I don't give you guys like, so you guys don't die trying to look at this. Alright. Okay, let's see. September 17th, 2013. I was 2 years old. From, I can't read that big of a number. You don't know me. I have to make this quick. They might be monitoring. I did 2 weeks of software consult at Murkoff Psychiatric Systems facilities in Mount Massive. All sorts of NDAs. I'm very much breaking right now. But seriously, fuck those guys. Terrible things happen there. Don't understand it. Don't believe half the things I saw. Doctors talking about dream therapy, going too deep, finding something that had been waiting for them in the mountain. People are being hurt, and Murkoff is making money. It needs to be exposed. Okay. Take these batteries, and then take our cam. Let's go. Oh, shoot. HD. Huh. This is fire, guys. Night vision is for whenever you can't see in the dark, you dingus. Tab, in your notes. And notes. Oh wait. Reporter, notes and documents, blah blah blah. And pick up the documents. Got you. Now how do I put on this camera? I got you. What am I writing down? I started feeling sick just looking at this place. Mount Massive Island shut down amid scandal and government secrecy in 1971. Continued by Murkoff Psychiatric System in 2009 under the guise of a heritable organization. Cell phone reception cut off abruptly a mile out, more like a jammer than lost signal. The Murkoff Corporation has a long track record of disguising profit as charity, but never on American soil. Whatever they thought they could get out of this place has to be big. Might finally be the story that breaks the bastards. Okay. GG's. So guys, I'm not crazy, right? Like, we all saw that. Like, all of us. What we gonna lose? Can I see you in my car? Oh shoot. I wanna go up in the Air Force, boy. Bro, everything is is that ladder always there? Hold up, am I tripping? Is that ladder always there? I'm starting to genuinely dislike this game with passion. Hiya. You just talking about some to jump, press space, and then to jump, press space. The hell? Where's night vision? Where's night vision? Where's night vision? This doesn't help a damn thing! Oh, of course you can need. It's just a game. Nothing can actually happen to me. It's just a game. Hell yeah. We're gonna predict what's gonna happen, okay? I'm gonna walk through this. Go to that door. Light's just gonna cut off. And I'm gonna scream. I'm not opening that. Okay. Alright. Billy asked about the status of his mother's lawsuit against Murkoff and the asylum. This represents a catastrophic breach in security. Despite Billy's claims that he discovered truth in Blood Dreams of Dr. Traeger, note, the only Traeger on company records, one Richard Traeger, is an executive from MRD. All orderlies and security personnel must be questioned and video security improved to include analytical biometrics. Murkoff Psychiatric Systems, Project Walrider, Mount Massive Corporations. That is quite weird. Oh, I hate you! Oh, you dickhead. Oh my god. Oh. So where am I supposed to go? Oh. No. The freak? Why would I do this? Where'd he go? Bro, I can't see donkey piss. Shut up. I don't care. Okay, okay, I'll hide. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you. Close this bitch. I'm sorry, sir. You're gonna have to die, bro. Ah! I don't like that. There's so many rooms, bro. There's just so many rooms. There's a guy can come from there. I start running, bro, and then I'll turn off stream. I'll turn off the video, and then you guys are gonna get mad at me. Like I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this, and I'm never playing a game like this again. This same thing happened on that VOD that I posted. I got scared, and I turned off the damn thing entirely. You guys would be lucky to get even a 30-minute long video. I know y'all saw that. The lights low-key just flashed. Like, I hate this game. The one place I don't want to go. Oh wait. God, bro. No. Alright. Alright. I am back. I am back with two of my homeboys, Caleb and Tate. Now let's continue after I push it out. Yeah, no, I literally turned the game off and said I was done, but I actually continued. Oh my god. They made me go in this room for no reason. I'm gonna go back outside this room and there's gonna be like a 6'7" black guy named Jaquarius just waiting for me, bro. I'm so fucking scared. What do I have to? No N-word. Oh. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will be posting a second video because I kind of like fucked you guys on this video, and I did rage quit and well scaredy quit and all that. So a second video should come out today, or whenever this video comes out, a second video will be coming out as well. I am very sorry. I thought I would play the game and like have a really fun time, but instead I hate myself and I hate this game. And if any of you guys ever suggest me to finish this game, I'm just gonna block you, ban you, and like I don't know, enlist you into the military or something. I don't know. But without all that being said, thank you guys for watching. I am gonna put a warning in this video for loud noises. Yeah, have a oh, also happy Merry Christmas, happy Merry late Christmas. Yeah, this video is coming out the day after Christmas, or the day this is recorded the day after Christmas. But my girlfriend got me this Hellcat. Well, I had to build it, and then my mommy got me this. I hate it because if you look at it from here, you can see that right here, it is slightly. This one is slightly longer than this one, so I'm just gonna rebuild this entire set right there. All right, well, that's it. Love you guys.